everyone, today we are showing a T5 10.1-inch Angel car video. Look at its appearance. The screen has a 10.1 inch. Here's an interface. The car video screen can be transformed. Let's try harmony transformation. The angle can be adjusted left and right. The upward and downward angles can also be adjusted. So if you encounter sunlight reflection or another reasons, you can adjust the angle of the screen. This car video can also be adjusted vertically. This vertical screen is also convenient. When you are waiting for another one, you can watch short videos in the car. You can see the main page of the car video is very simple, kind of like the Carplay interface. You can click here to close the screen. The main page has a time and date display, as well as a display of the player. If you want to know if the car video is connected to the network, you can check here. Click here, you can enter the secondary menu. The pre-installed features are very extensive. This is Bluetooth music. If you want to play music, click here and find the same Bluetooth name to connect it. You can also make calls when you connect it to Bluetooth. If you want a different playback mode, you can click on DSP or here and adjust it. Adjust it to your favorite mode. If you get bored during a long journey, you can also click YouTube to watch videos. Our car video has pre-installed YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify. Of course, you can also use Google Chrome for web browsing and Maps for navigation. With this Angel car video, no more need another adapters to connect Carplay. You can click here to use wireless Carplay and wireless Angel Auto. I will show you how to connect to Carplay. Connect Bluetooth, click pairing to allow permissions. Here we can use wireless Carplay and wireless Angel Auto. Very convenient. This can also use wireless mirroring. The operation is also very simple. We use iPhone to show you how to connect it. This is our Angel car video. The function is very complete. What you want has been pre-installed. You can see that the screen slide is very smooth, without a lag. Today we show you our Angel car video. Thanks for watching.